And it's those who start with why that have the ability to inspire those around them. Simon Sinek. As a new distributor, it's easy to get excited about the product and the opportunity. This makes us want to go out there and share our excitement with anyone who will listen. However, to maximize your success, it's important for you to pause in the beginning and start with your why. So let's pause and start the right way together. Why Neolife? Why do you want to succeed? What is it that makes you want to voluntarily spend your spare time sharing the product and the opportunity with others? What is your cause, your purpose, your belief? How do you want to make an impact? People don't buy what you do. They buy why you do it. People will buy you before they ever think about buying your product or joining your opportunity. To truly get to the core of what motivates you, please go to page 8 in your Getting Started guide and put some time into answering the questions provided and numbering your motivations. The time spent on this activity will help you to unlock the all-powerful questions of why. You will know you have found your true why when it evokes emotion within you, and you go from wanting to succeed to I must succeed. Your career satisfaction plays a major role in determining your success. So it's important to identify your passion, the why, in why you do the work you do. Knowing your why will keep you motivated, especially on your bad days. When the going gets tough and you don't feel like doing it anymore, that is when your why kicks in and helps you to take just one more step. I've always heard, if your why is big enough, the how becomes easy. But that is just not true. The how doesn't become easy. The how becomes worth it. Example, there's a fire in your house and your kids are inside. Will it be easy to run in and grab them? No. But it isn't even a question. Any parent will gladly, without thinking, run into a burning building for their children because it's worth it. So, when the why is big enough, the how becomes worth it. Find a why that is worth your time and energy to build your business.